This is how to fix the Roblox error that says this: unapproved third-party applications. What this means is you basically have a third-party app on your computer somewhere. It is open. It may be an anti-cheat or maybe your ad block or whatever the case may be. For some reason, it is not allowing Roblox to open. In order to fix that, we're going to go in the bottom left in settings and look up Task Manager. Once you have this open, under where it says background processes, you would want to close out anything that you are not using. For example, if you have Fortnite or some type of game open when it shouldn't really be open, go ahead and right click on it and end task. For example, I'm not using Steam right now. There's no reason for Steam to be open. I'm going to right click it and end task. This will end the task that's running in the background. Side note, if you're looking at something that you're not sure if you should end it or not, it's best to not end that task. If you do that and Roblox still won't open up, I'm going to go back to the search in the bottom left, look up add or remove programs. Once this opens, we're going to go to the search this list and look up Roblox. If Roblox doesn't show up right here, go ahead and filter by and switch to your drives here. Once you have everything with the Roblox name in it, we're going to go and press each one of these and hit uninstall and then confirm it. Once you uninstall everything that's Roblox related in this, you're going to go back to your browser and look up Roblox and reinstall it. That is how to fix the Roblox error of third-party applications being detected.